We have been told to open our doors, to welcome all, to embrace the changes that come with globalism. But who benefits from this? Who stands to gain from a fractured society where our identities are blurred and our values are compromised? Is it really us, the people who have built this land with our sweat and toil? No, my friends, there are those who pull the strings from the shadows, those who profit from our division, who seek to weaken us by undermining our unity. They tell us that we must be tolerant, that we must accept every change, every new face, without question, but they do not live with the consequences. They do not see their neighbourhoods transformed overnight. We must ask ourselves, who are these people who push for endless change? Who are these voices that tell us we must give up what we hold dear for the sake of some vague idea of progress? It is time we recognise the truth, that there are those among us who do not share our values, who do not care about our future. This is about survival. This is about ensuring that our children inherit a world that reflects the values we hold dear, not one that has been twisted beyond recognition by those who care only for themselves. Let us not be afraid to say what we know to be true. Let us not be silenced by those who call us intolerant, who brand us extremists simply for wanting to protect what is ours. We are not the ones who are sowing division, we are the ones who are trying to heal the wounds that have been inflicted upon us. The time has come to stand together, to push back against those who would tear us apart. We must be strong, we must be united, and we must never forget who we are and where we come from. Let us reclaim our future, my friends, for ourselves, for our children, and for the generations yet to come. Hard work always pays off.